Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can put into s to the power of negative number 2 ds. And now we have the final answer. That should be about s to the power of negative number 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1, and then we put about c. We simplify and you got about negative 1 over s. Question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to 4s squared. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s to the power of 2, we have 2s. And we got about as ds. So this one you got about u. 8s ds we change by du. The integration of e to the power of u, we have e to the power of u. The integration of number 3, we have 3u, and then we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.